Hello friends, this is Sulaiman here. So last 2 weeks I couldn't upload my videos because I have some university exam and all, and also I'm busy with working this table. You can see the table that's glowing. So in this video I'll be unboxing this Beats scooter speaker. So let's unbox this thing and check the performance. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So let's peel it off this plastic cover. The box comes with a premium look. Let's peel it off this thing. Okay, I'm very excited. So let's unbox this thing. Let's take it off. Okay, there comes the box. Ooh. So let's take up the speaker. So this is the product, that Beats scooter speaker, and in box one aux cable and one charging cable. That's it. The quality of the aux cable is not bad. In back of the speaker there you can see one on off switch and input output, that aux cable, and one charging slot and memory card slot. And in front there you can see four buttons that you can control the speaker, and the quality is not bad. The finishing with rubber. So let's take a close look at it. So let's test the sound, how the sound. Okay, the sound quality is not bad, it's really good. If you are willing to buy this product, I'll put the link in the description. You can go and check it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash that like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. You can see the red color subscribe button. Please click that, it's free, and also click that bell icon that you will never miss my videos. So that's all in this video. See you in the next video. Bye.